Disassemble the system fan. Remove the system fan first. Pry the top cover lightly. In case the power cord is torn off, gently remove the connector. Unscrew the screws on the small fan. You can remove the small fan. The steps are the same for putting it back on. Remember to plug the power cord back in. Dismantle the CPU cooling fan. Unplug the power cord. Unscrew the outer 3 screws. Gently break open. Tear off the anti-static tape. The CPU cooling fan is removed. The steps are the same for putting it back on. Align the fan and smooth out the anti-static tape. Tighten the screws. Just plug it back in.